welcome back to my channel. My name is Talia, for those of you who may be new here, bringing you all of my favorite trends from the beauty and fashion world. And today I am back with another Bath & Body Works haul. Since spring is right around the corner and Easter is a little less than a month away, I did a little shopping at Bath & Body Works with their recent collection that launched of Easter and springtime, and I'm obsessed. The whole line is just precious. I just had to get my hands on them, and I'm excited to hop into this haul and show you all what I got. So I'll start off with this bag right here. They do have new bags out for the spring and summer season. Totally adorable. And the first few things that I picked up were hand soaps. I'm so obsessed with Bath & Body Works hand soaps. They smell wonderful, for one. And secondly, they just leave my hands so soft and moisturized when using them. And of course, the packaging is always adorable. So the first hand soap that I picked up is called Sweet Bunny Berry. I love the packaging. How cute is it? It has a little Easter bunny with glasses on it, behind some Easter eggs, and then it says Happy Easter. And I'm actually going to be putting this hand soap on my kitchen sink because I think it'll be displayed nicely with the rest of my Easter decor when I get around to decorating out there. And the fragrance note for this reads Sparkling Raspberry, Candied Petals, and Crystallized Sugar. Easter is actually my second favorite holiday, Halloween being my first, but I just love the pastel colors of Easter. I love the bunnies, the chicks. Tulips are my favorite flower, and just the flowers blooming and the scents and everything that Easter and spring has to bring, I am obsessed with. And the next hand soap is in the scent Linen and Lavender, and again with the adorable Easter packaging. It has a bunny in a field with butterflies around its head, and it says Spring Has Sprung. And the fragrance note on this read Crisp Linen, Lavender, Sea Salt, and Fresh Air Breeze. And I'm going to be putting this hand soap in our guest bathroom just because it's a more neutral color and the packaging is neutral again. You'll see why with my next hand soap. It's a little more on the girlier side, so I'll be using that one in my bathroom. But this one I think will go great in the guest bathroom. And here's that girly hand soap I was talking about. This one is in the scent Sprinkled Donut. How precious is this packaging? It's so girly. I love that the bunny is peeking through the donut. And I just love that the color is pink. It says Somebody Loves You. Too cute. And the fragrance notes are buttercream, milk, and sweet vanilla. I'm so excited to try this. And then the last hand soap I got is in the scent Waikiki Beach. Again, I'm obsessed with this packaging. I love the pink color and the tropical looking flowers and flamingos. Flamingos are actually my favorite animal. And the fragrance notes on this read Dragon Fruit, Water Bamboo, and Coconut Jasmine. And I used this one in store and it smells incredible, so I'm excited to use it at home. I also did some online shopping at Bath & Body Works, so I will show you that next. So I got a couple of Wallflower refill fragrances in the scent The Perfect Spring. I just love this mint green color. And the fragrance notes are Spring Air, Fresh Grass, Apple Blossom with essential oils. And online, this had a 5-star rating. A lot of people said it had a nice throw to it and you can really smell it throughout your home. So that's why I only got 2, just because I don't want anyone else in the family, their allergies might act up and it might be too strong for them. So I only got 2 to put one in the living room and then one in the back bedroom area. So I'm really excited to give these a try. The next thing I got was this travel size Easter gift set with the scent Sweet Bunny Berry. And we have a little hand sanitizer as well as a travel size lotion and fragrance mist. And I'm so excited to use this for the springtime. And I bought a matching travel size shower gel as well to pair with it because I really want to layer that scent on. And I tried the scent in store and it smells wonderful. It actually smells like jelly beans. And then the last 2 things I bought are 3-wick candles. Wow, they really packaged these up nicely. Can I even open it? My goodness. Let's see if I can. Oh. That was easy. The first candle I have to show you is in the scent Easter Bouquet. The packaging is so precious. It says Spring Has Sprung, and it just has a little Easter design on it. And look at the lid. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it has a bunny like with some floral designs around it, and it's so cute. Oh my goodness, if you love flower scents like I do, this smells wonderful. The fragrance notes are a bouquet of Easter lilies, pink tulips, and blooming roses with essential oils. Wow, I'm so excited to use this. This smells so good. And then the next Easter candle I got is in the scent Tutti Frutti Jelly Bean. This packaging is so adorable. Look at the bunny there again, surrounded by a bunch of Easter eggs, wearing glasses. Ooh, that smells good. The fragrance notes on this one read sweet jelly beans, mixed berries, and sugared lemon with essential oils. And I will say online, it did have good reviews, but it did say that it fits better in a smaller room just because it didn't really give that powerful scent throughout the home. Probably like my Easter bouquet candle is going to give. So I'm going to be putting this candle in my bedroom. I like that. It smells really good. It smells like sweet candies. And then I have one more thing to show you guys, and this was actually free because I racked up enough points to earn a free gift up to $16.50. And I'm so excited to show you guys this. I got myself a little candle holder for Easter. I've never owned one of these, but I just love how pretty the packaging is. And let me kind of give you an example of how it's going to look. So you just set your candle in there like that, and look how cute! Oh, I love that. I just love how this looks, and I'm so excited to use it during Easter time. And this actually is originally $15.50, but again, like I said, I racked up enough points to get it for free. So like I've stated before, if you live in a city where they offer the app where you can download it and shop with them, and every time that you shop with them you earn a point for each dollar you spend, I highly recommend downloading that app because it will not disappoint and you'll be coming out of there with free gifts like every month, at least if you shop there like I do. And I do tend to shop a lot more during the times they have sales going on. So like I said, like with this stuff, I did not buy it all in one shopping trip. I buy when things are on sale and then I just save it up for a haul for you guys. So that's the way to shop. And that is it for today's video. I know it was kind of short and sweet, but I hope you all enjoyed seeing what I got from Bath & Body Works for the Easter season. And if you guys would like to see more trendy videos from me, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!